So by now we should have a very good understanding of our concertina and where the notes are from low D up to high B. So we have done little practice exercises to learn these notes and become familiar with it. So in this lesson we're going to look at a very simple tune. It's called Britches Full of Stitches. It's a polka. And polkas are very commonly known with an area in Kerry called Sliabh Luachra. And Sliabh Luachra is associated with polkas and slides. So today we're going to learn the first part of a very simple polka. It's called Britches Full of Stitches, and as I said. And if you refer to your tune book, you will see the notes there for the first part. Okay, so I'm just going to play the tune for you once, just so you can get a feel for it and hear how it'll sound. Okay. So that's Britches Full of Stitches, and today we're going to look at the first part. So if you want to open up your textbook or your tune book, and we'll have a look at the first part of the tune in this lesson. So we're going to take it bar by bar, so it'll be 4 notes at a time, and then we'll continue on. Okay, so the first few notes of the tune are so we have a G, an A, a B, and a G. Okay, so again, just for you to hear it. Okay, so if you want to play along now with me. Okay, and our next bar sounds like. So here we have an A, a G, a B, and a G. So again, just for you to hear. Okay, so if you want to play along now with the second bar. Okay, so far we have okay, so if you need to rewind, please do so and do them 2 bars. So our third bar is okay, so same as the first bar. So we'll play that together. Okay, and then our fourth bar is so we have an A, a G and an E. Our E is long, so we play it for the value of 2 notes. Okay, so just for you to hear again. Okay, so let's play our first 4 bars together. Okay, so that's our first 4 bars. So if you need to pause or rewind, please do so. So our next bar is so the very same as our first bar and our third bar. So again, let's play it together. Then our next bar is okay, so we have an A, a G, a B and a high D. So again, just for you to hear that. And again, we'll play it now together. Okay, so our 2 bars we just learned there of the second line are and then our third bar of the second line is so G, A, G, E. Okay, together. Then the last bar is so E, D, and then a long D. So okay, so let's try the second line of the first part together. Okay, super. So again, if you need to pause the video or rewind, please do so for the second line. We're going to play the whole first part of Britches Full of Stitches now. Play it together. So 1, 2. So that's the whole first part of Britches Full of Stitches, and that's our first kind of proper tune we've learned. So before you move on to the next lesson, try and learn that tune as best as possible, just so again get familiar with the notes and with the rhythm and play along with the recording as much as you can. So hope to see you in the next lesson, where we look at the second part of Britches Full of Stitches. Best of luck.